Jack, and we're doing a
That was great. I loved your energy.
Hey guys, it's me, Jack. We're doing another part 2 with unboxing.
We got toys from Target, but we're not opening them all right now. Jack picked out another one of his toys that he's gonna reveal to you in a minute. And you guys gotta guess what it is, and he's gonna tell you a little bit about it.
What color is it, Jack? And what shape is it?
It's shaped like a rectangle in green.
And what's on the package?
It's Ryan.
If you go on YouTube to Ryan's World, he has a lot of toys and he has a great YouTube channel for kids.
Awesome. Okay, show us what you got.
3, 2, 1, the unveil.
Whoa.
It looks like you put your hand in the box and it's all slimy and gooey.
They're shiny.
This looks familiar. If you guys saw part 1 of Guiliana's mystery unboxing, you will see that we saw this at Target and we were looking at it.
Can we open it?
But we didn't tell you when we were at
Can we
Target what
open
toys
it?
we got.
Can we play
Yeah.
this game? You have to find objects in here.
So this is actually a game. I thought it was just a box of slime and you have to guess what's in the slime. But we opened it and there was actually instructions in there for how to play the game. It says Ryan's World, what's in the box? Ryan's Goo Challenge. Challenge your friends and family to guess what's inside the goo. Look at that. Look at all that goo. And then you stick your hand in here. Look at that goo. You want to stick your hand in, Jack, and I can see?
Let's go.
And see. Oh, it's kind of hard to see. Look at all that slime in there.
But don't look
Bucket
Jack.
of slime.
What do you think it is?
All right.
What does it feel like? Describe what you're feeling.
I think it's a race car vibe.
A race car guy? What does it feel like? What are you feeling?
Something hard and feel like a race car guy.
What makes you think it's a race car guy?
I think it drives in the car.
Looks like a ninja.
Oh, it's a ninja. Ryan Ninja? Can we see, babe? Oh. Well, can we see the slime?
Wait, where's my Ryan?
Ooh, this is what it looks like.
They're both
Look at
Ryans.
the slime.
Ooh, that you
It
look.
doesn't stick to your fingers, which is nice. It's like Jello. You got one hard one and one squishy one.
Oh! Like weird. Yeah.
It's got an R on its head for Ryan. Put it on his back.
Oh.
I'm gonna put this in here. Mix it up in the slime.
I don't even
Okay.
know where I am.
A karate guy.
Does that look good, guys?
I don't know. Oh! What is that?
What does it feel like?
It feels kind of like a circle.
Like a circle?
Oh, I think I know what it is, but I'm waiting until Jack feels
Okay.
What's that noise?
your turn. My hands are oily. But don't take it out, just feel it.
A fidget spinner. Okay, I'm gonna do one more item. You guys turn around.
What's this? I'm looking at slime.
Gotta bury him.
Very
It.
good.
It.
Oh, that's interesting.
Please
You have a new friend.
Okay.
You gotta bury
Maybe
my
that's
open
good.
eye.
Yep. All right.
Jack gets to go first this time.
I think it's
And then you go.
this option.
Okay guys, I grabbed my item. Here's what it is. It's from a movie. It's starts with an F, but I'm gonna put it in now. Mix it up. Put out your hands, Mommy, but don't open your eyes. And just circle around. Just show.
Okay, you have to guess what's inside. Oh, wow. This feels strange. The button on
I
it.
think it's a
I think it, should I guess?
But don't, nobody look in
hair
the box.
dryer. Hair
It's a
dryer.
hair dryer. Oh, except it doesn't fit through the hole.
Just take the cap off.
You guessed it.
Dry your hair. Ooh, Jack loves getting his hair dried, don't ya?
No.
We're gonna have more videos. We've got more toys.
Here's one last look. Go to What's in the Box Ryan's Goo Challenge if you want to try this with your family and friends. So, you want to end the video?
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Hope you guys
Say
like
bye, Jack.
this video.
Bye.
Hope you guys like this video. See you guys later. Bye.
Oh, wow, it looks like we had a slime explosion. What happened, Jack?
I put all the slime in.
Oh.